Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another episode where I check out an Indian restaurant here in the UK. This series is coming to you from London. So today I'm standing outside a place called Ganapati. Now this place came to my notice because a lot of you guys recommended this place. I'm in Peckham Roy right now, very busy road. I'm going to go inside, not going to do the talking here. This place does South Indian food, kind of a veg South Indian thali, one with chicken. So I've never been here, so I don't know what to expect. I'm going to try it for the very first time. I have no clue what I'm going to be getting. So let's go in, get some food. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I am quite hungry, and actually while I was walking to the restaurant I could smell the South Indian food, like I could smell the spices, so that's got me more hungry. Let's go in. In this series, I'm trying to visit different kinds of Indian restaurants, from big to small, fancy to cheap, and this small cozy place is actually not run by an Indian but someone who loves Indian food. Let's go meet her. Hi Claire, thanks for letting me into your kitchen. I just want to find out what made you start this restaurant.
Well, Chetna, I went travelling with a friend back in the early 90s around India with a backpack, and we spent 3 months trying to see as many places as we could, and the food in the southern part of the country, southern states, kind of appealed to me more because I hadn't experienced those flavours before. Came back, I fell in love with many aspects of India. Came back and I wanted to bring something of that into my daily life. So I started learning how to cook Indian food from that point. So that's a while ago, 35 years ago.
Wow, and how old is this restaurant?
We are 20 in December.
Wow. Do you still cook in the kitchen, or do you have help from India? Or?
Well, I mean, I was in the kitchen for about the first 12, 13 years, and then we opened a takeaway branch and things just got too much. We have a very great team of chefs. Most of them are from Kerala, and 2 of them have been with us pretty much since the beginning, so we're a very close team.
Chefs teach you how to cook?
Well, I mean, my learning is constantly evolving, but initially I worked in Rasa Samudra with Das Sridharan. I kind of learnt there quite a lot, and then I went on to do a lunch club with a Kerala chef, and then I went travelling back to India and I got into the ladies' kitchens of my chefs. So, you know, I've just been taking bits from here and there, yes. Yeah.
So has your menu remained the same over the years, or has it evolved?
I think it's got more compact, as we offered more things initially, but I think it's better to have less choice, and we make everything sort of in its own right. We don't mix and match any of the sauces. So, and we try and come up with new ideas. We change the menu every couple of months. So we try to, we think of an ingredient, or we might think of, let's try something with duck we haven't done before, or, you know, always looking for new ideas.
So will I get to see the chef?
Yes, come this way.
Thank you, chef, for letting me into your kitchen. I just want to ask you, what are your most popular dishes?
Paratha is most popular, and lamb dishes, chicken dishes, and fish dishes as well at the same time.
So people prefer order more parathas over masala dosas? Is parathas more?
Paratha is more flaky, and people are like much more than anything, I think, for us, yeah.
Obviously you are from Kerala.
We are all from Kerala, yeah.
From Kerala.
Yeah.
So do you have any of your particular Kerala dishes on the menu that are very special to you?
And especially we keep changing the menu every 2 months anyway, and special means we all creative chefs anyway. We do create our own dishes every often anyway. Yeah.
So there are no traditional Kerala dishes
There is a lots of traditional Kerala dishes: fish curry, rice, and plus sambar, and
Okay.
and those dishes are the traditional Kerala dishes anyway.
Okay, but nothing like that is special to you, like your childhood dish or something that you've grown up with,
No, my childhood dish means like a biryani.
or okay,
Yeah, like a Calicut biryani, Talassery Calicut dum biryani, Malabari type dum biryani, and neichoro, we call the type, typical pilau rice type, and meat and chicken curries
okay. And what's your favorite dish on the menu?
at the moment.
Yes, at the moment.
At the moment is my favorite dish in the menu, like a biryani, chicken biryani is there, and fish curry, and white rice, and paratha. At the moment, yeah, we keep changing the menu.
Yes, so you
We
have
just
a
stir
lot
fried.
of vegetarian options.
Yeah, we have lots of vegetarian options, plus vegan options as well. Lots of vegan options every time anyway. And then our paratha is vegan as well anyway. We don't use any butter or ghee or any milk. Normally in Kerala, paratha then use the butter or egg or something anyway. But we specify it for the vegan. And there is lots of vegetarian dishes. We keep changing. We have a breadfruit curry at the moment in the menu.
Thank you so much. Oh, ginger and jaggery, wow. So they make their own ice creams here in the kitchen as well, and this is a ginger and jaggery ice cream. Sounds like a lovely combination.
It's the cocoa chutney. This is tomato chutney.
Okay. That's the mutton fry, slow cooked with the spices, shallots, chilies and tomatoes. That's the masala dosa with sambar, tomato chutney and coconut chutney. There's the masala dosa. I'm going in because it smells really good. Oh my god, extremely good flavor. That potato filling, I could be having this in India. That filling is spot on. The sambar is a bit thick. Usually in India you would get a bit more runny sambar, but the chutneys are, that dosa is spot on. Oh my god, that's so good. This is the Kerala flaky paratha, and this one is the chira chicken, which is free range chicken with spinach, lemon, garam masala. This is a special chaat from Tamil Nadu, which is made with yellow peas and lots of lovely chutneys, and that is very exciting. And that is cashew aubergine, which is aubergines in creamy masala of cashews and touch of tamarind, and everything looks and smells incredible. And I've got my friend Malika to giving me company in today's eating venture. So that's the bonda, which is what goes inside the vada pav. That's called bonda, and that is what I'm very excited about. These are very popular street food from Tamil Nadu. This is called Parippu Vadai, and they are famously sold at railway stations, I'm told. And they're served with the two chutneys, which is the coconut chutney and the tomato chutney. And that is the chicken biryani. So this is the vadai, which I've eaten in India before. So I'm very excited. Are you enjoying the food?
I'm loving it. It's spiced right, isn't it? That's a mistake that a lot of Indian restaurants make, is they think they still have to tone down the heat for mainstream customers, but actually you don't need to do that anymore.
That vadai is
Really
on
good.
point.
Mutton's very good too.
It's got the right flavor. That's delicious. I'm going to try the chaat. It's very different to North Indian chaat. It's got a lovely kick to it. Maybe I'm a North Indian. That's why I prefer the North Indian chaat. But this is delicious. It's got a bit of crunch, some spices. Really nice. And the aloo banda. That's good. It's not too spicy, but you've got the chutneys to, bring the heat up. Right, I just want to tell you a brief about the food. Dosa was my absolute favorite. These Kerala parotas are incredible. The chicken with spinach, so delicious. It's perfectly spiced. Obviously I didn't have the mutton fry because I don't eat mutton, but this is the aubergine, and I forgot what it has in it actually, sorry, very quickly. So that has got the cashews in it, cashew paste. If you're an aubergine fan, you're going to absolutely love this. It's just melting in your mouth, the aubergine, and it's beautifully cooked. It's got a heat to it, but it's creamy at the same time, but it's not sweet. And now, the chicken biryani. I love a chicken biryani. I love chicken curry. And if I see a chicken biryani on a menu, I will go for it. So, that is delicious. And it's got the fried onions, the chicken is beautiful, really delicious. I have been thoroughly enjoying the food. I think the only thing I didn't finish was the aloo vada, aloo banda, because the other things were better than this. So, chai. It's a bit too milky for me. Dessert time. So this is the ginger and jaggery and a bit of black pepper. So the ice creams and sorbets are all made in-house, and the gulab jamun is also made in-house. So that is very exciting. You can actually see the black pepper flakes in there. Oh, that with ginger. Nice. That looks very good. Right, I'm so excited about this ice cream. That is incredible. It's like really gingery and lovely, and then suddenly you'll get a little fleck of black pepper, which is great. The gulab jamuns looks pillowy and soft and Okay, I'm just gonna wrap this up and just say that I have thoroughly enjoyed the food here. Everything was delicious. The chicken biryani to the starters to the dosa and the chicken curry, the paratha. Also the desserts were just so lovely, and the fact that they make everything over here themselves is quite a plus point, at least for me. And they make their own pickles and all those sorts of things. So yeah, the team are so lovely. The vibes in the kitchen were great. I love that they've got chefs from Kerala. Yeah, it has been quite a lovely lunch. I am so full, and I've got the leftovers right here with me. That's always a plus point. If you are around here, then definitely come and visit. Ganapati has been a joy to visit, and I don't live very close by, but if I ever do get a chance, I will come back here. Wow, absolutely lovely food. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back in my kitchen for my next video.